Well, we made it.
Welcome to Branson, Missouri. I messed that up.
It's staying. Guys, we found this place. It's called Cakes and Creams 50's Diner. We're really excited.
From the aquarium.
Yes. It looks really cool. The pictures look amazing.
And I love the 50s and I'm so excited.
Yeah, we're excited. We're going to jump in here. If you guys are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel and we live in Nebraska and we're traveling all throughout the U.S. and hopefully the world. But guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification.
Leave some comments, have a discussion with your family.
Yes.
All that great stuff.
Yeah, we've been driving for like 3 hours. We're hungry.
We're hungry.
We'll see you guys inside. So I got my cheeseburger. I did get it plain. They offer lettuce, tomato, pickle, and onion. I said no thank you. Fries. Amber got the chicken. That chicken looks good. So that's hers. It has some other stuff on it. It looks pretty good. The chicken actually looks pretty good. But we're gonna eat. It's been a while. And then the condiments are up by the on the sides and everything. We didn't show you our happy plate. We don't like showing dirty plates, but
we try not to.
Your chicken looked really good.
It was really good, and it was like big, and I was not expecting it. There was lettuce, tomato, diced onions. There was pickles. They gave you a side of ranch, and you could add it on there. There's fries. There was so much.
She went ranch heavy too.
I did.
And it made it messy.
I couldn't even eat like half of it, and then every time I took a bite, everything was falling, and I was like, nope, done.
The cheeseburger was really good. I won't say really good. It was good. I just wish it had a little more seasoning to it.
Your cheeseburger was way smaller than my chicken.
Yeah.
So if you're coming here, get the chicken.
Yeah.
It will fill you up.
But it was really good. We're kind of saving room because we just found out there's another restaurant we're gonna try to get
for
to
like
if we have time.
Late dinner.
Yeah.
We don't want to get ice cream. They have ice cream. They have funnel cakes. I did show in the menu that they have. They have a lot of stuff.
They do. They do.
It was super cool atmosphere. They're playing 50s music and stuff. They have an arcade.
And we come outside and they're playing Katy Perry fireworks.
But like that's cool. Like if you want to hang out and go to the arcade while you're still finished eating or get some ice cream, it's a great area.
Mm-hmm. It's really cool.
Now it's not busy. It was busy. But it's pretty cool. I would probably stop here again.
I would. At least maybe do ice cream like a dessert type thing.
Yeah.
Walking the strip.
It was pretty cool.
It is kind of sunk in. We are kind of like leaning that way a little bit. Because the hill is pretty steep. So when you leave, just make sure you're being careful. But other than that, guys, you made this far. Thank you so much.
It might be a short video.
It might be.
But we try to show you as much as we can. We don't like showing our food like Brian said. Please subscribe.
We're getting so close to 1,000, guys. Only you guys can help us.
I think we could get over 1,000.
Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, guys, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.